the hyperintentional revolution in philosophy. So let me come to the hyperintentional revolution, the hyperintentional revolution in metaphysics. But I think it's as much a revolution in philosophy of language, if it is a revolution. It's as much a revolution in the philosophy of language or in semantics. So they're really two sides of the same coin. So what hyperintentionality is, roughly speaking, is the idea that we might need, for semantical or metaphysical purposes, to distinguish between intentionally equivalent sentences, ones that are true in the same possible worlds. I'll come back to this point. Okay. All right. So I just wanted to say something about what hyperintentional revolution was and why I regard it as significant. And what I want to do now is to consider this hyperintentionality. But I guess the thought is that so what's revolutionary is not really thinking that you might be able to account for the differences in some way or another. It's wanting to account for them in this very particular way. Concepts should take account of differences of this sort. So I think it's what's revolutionary. I shouldn't call it a revolution. This is but anyway, if you like, what if anything is revolutionary is those two aspects of it. So yeah.